Before we begin, take a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Take a long and deep inhale and slow exhale. One more time. A long inhale and deep exhale. Sometimes in the morning, your mind may naturally go back to past mistakes, regrets, or thoughts like, I should have done this differently. When this happens, remember your mind is creating a story. It is not reality. Now, I would like to invite you to bring the images and visuals of that past mistakes that is bothering you on a mental screen in front of you. Watch it properly, like a scene playing on a screen. And instead of stepping into this story, take a small step back in your mind. And simply say, this is a thought, this is just a memory. No need to understand it, no need to change it. Just notice and let it be. While watching this, keep your breath slow and natural. Now bring your attention to a few simple things in this memory. Instead of focusing on the main character or the things that is going on, this time bring your attention to few simple things like chair, wall, door, maybe curtains, maybe outside scenarios, whatever it is. Just notice the simple things in this memory. No meaning, no judgment. You're simply giving your mind something calm and neutral to focus on. And while doing this, keep your breath slow and absolutely calm. Wonderful. If this thought comes back, that's okay. Simply say, this is a memory, and gently return to something neutral once again. Now, let go of this mental task and watch everything getting blurred in this memory. Everything is getting dark, more dark, more dark, and watch it until there is nothing to see but the darkness. Wonderful. Now bring your attention back to this moment. Notice one simple feeling in your body. Maybe the air touching your skin. Maybe the weight of your body resting. Or maybe a sound around you. Just notice it. You don't have to fight your thoughts. You don't have to follow them. You can notice them and come back to yourself. Take a slow and deep breath in and a gentle breathe out. Now, when you are ready, gently open your eyes and carry this thought with you. Thoughts may come and go. They are not who I am. They are simply thoughts passing through my mind. And I always have power to feel calm and grounded. Next time, whenever any past mistake or regrets comes into your mind, simply repeat this practice. It will help you. Namaste. This is Monica. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next session.